here with another video. Hey girl, hey. So I received a package from Born Pretty, and I'm gonna show you what it is. It's the unboxing. So that's why you see this big brown box right dead in the middle of your screen. I had a little bit of issues getting it open, but you know, we always make it do what it do. All right, so there's the 2 packages that they sent me. They were so condescending. Thank you for reaching out. Glad to do it. Now, you know, I'm a sucker for packaging, so this is just a basic standard package, and it's 2 of them. So I'm gonna open up the first one with my handy dandy X-Acto knife, you know. So yeah, the shipping was really quick. So yeah, if you do decide to order, it's quick. So there you have a file. It doesn't tell me what grit file it is. You have 2 sets of those gold forms. So there's one form, and then the other one's gonna come out of the package. You have a small dapping dish. You also have the second set of forms. So they give you plenty of forms to go ahead and use their products. There are some art brushes there. It's a 6-pack of art, or is that 5? Yes, a 5-pack of art brushes. I'm not sure if they're acrylic brushes or not. And then you have a 3-pack of 1-ounce acrylic that comes in the color white, pink, and clear. And a 2-ounce monomer bottle. I'm just guessing that it's 2 ounces because it doesn't say anything on it. So here I am spreading out the products for you. So yeah, that's 6 acrylic brushes, 2 sets of forms, 1 file, 1 dapping dish over there in the corner. And that's what comes in. Now keep in mind, this is a starter package, so if you're a beginner and you're trying to just find your way, so I think this is a good idea. So you know, that's that. So it doesn't really tell you anything on the packaging, but you know, it's from Born Pretty. Born Pretty is a pretty prestigious company. I'm tongue tied today. So anyway, here I am opening up the second package, and it is a set of 6 bottles of their gel polish, and I'm gonna go ahead and open them for you shortly here to show you what they look like. So right now I'm just unboxing everything like it's Christmas. Y'all know I love Christmas because you get what? You get gifts and you give thanks. That's what you do on Christmas. So right there, that is a Connect With Us card, and it has all of Born Pretty social media on it: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They also have QR codes, so if you don't want to type in an address, you can just scan the QR codes and go ahead and get it popping. So right here I'm holding up the back of the Connect Us card. Pretty much you can leave a review on their Amazon site as far as like the products are concerned. Just like with anything else, leave a review. So here I'm about to get into the gel polishes, and there is an instruction manual. I'm gonna tell you what it says later, but I definitely appreciate an instruction manual because a lot of these companies, they'll send you the products but don't tell you how to use it. So thumbs up for Born Pretty on that one. These don't have names on them. They just have like gel line series on the bottle. And the thing that I can appreciate the most, secondly, is that they are tightly packaged. So when you get it, you don't have to worry about anything spilling out, because as you see, I got my pliers here opening up the package because I don't use my teeth for nothing except to eat, you know. All right, so we have a gold glitter color, and I think that it is so gorgeous. All of these bottles are 30 milliliters, your standard gel polish size. It is they do have a shelf life of 36 months, and it states that on the back, as well as the ingredients. So they're not vegan or cruelty free that it listed, but they are, you know, standard gel polish size. That's a pretty coral pink. That's for the summer, because y'all gonna be outside. Y'all gonna be outside. All right, so next after the coral pink, we're gonna have a purplish gray, kind of like a dark mauve color. And I think that is really pretty too. And that's more for like, kind of like the fall, but you know, anything goes after Labor Day, except for white, so they say. I don't even know why that is, but whatever. Anyway, so the next one we have a baby pink, and you can never go wrong with a baby pink. Baby pink goes with everything. All colors in your wardrobe, baby pink goes with it. So black, white, baby pink, and maybe a gray. it could go with anything in your wardrobe, so just keep that in mind. All right, and next up we have a white, and I can tell just by looking at it that it is very opaque, and you could maybe do some nail art with these colors because they seem to be on the thicker side. Not too thick to the point where you don't want to use it, but thick enough. So next we have the gray color, which is the last color, and I can definitely appreciate this because it's not too light and it's not too dark. It's like the perfect gray, like the perfect gray. And I had a hard time getting that one open too, but like I said, I don't use my teeth for anything except to eat, you know. This gray kind of has like a blue tint in it, and I don't know, I like gray. Gray is like such a good neutral color to have. It don't make you look all dark and depressed like maybe a black or whatever. So here I'm showing you the shelf life, showing you that the ingredients are listed on the back of the product, and the colors actually come through on the little peep window on the front, so I can definitely appreciate that too. That way you don't have to guess which one it is. And it does come in a black bottle, which, you know, blocks UV, so that's also a good thing as well. So I'm about to get into this instruction manual. I really like their instruction manual. For one, it has like a visual on the back, and then on the inside it actually tells you how to use all of their other products. So it tells you how to use their solid colors, holographic colors, color changing polish, chameleon gel polish, magnetic gel polish. So it doesn't just give you this set, it just covers all of their colors, and it tells you how to use them, which I'm sure that they send this instruction manual to everyone in every gel polish set, and I can really appreciate that because we don't know how long it is to dry these polishes. And then on the back it's a visual. Some people are visual learners, so I can appreciate the fact that they have a visual and a step-by-step on what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. All right, y'all, my time is up. So let me know what you think about this kit, because there is going to be a part 2. I'm going to do a demo for this, and in that video is going to be a coupon code in there. I'm going to put the links in both videos so you can actually get it. All right, y'all, I'm out.